Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you here a modest, quaint, fairly new, and giving a fresh feeling an entry home for sale. This house is lovely, making it a great place to call your home. Located in a well sought after family oriented community known as Manor in cool Mandeville, Manchester, this two-story house consists of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, beautifully designed kitchen and living dining rooms, laundry rooms, balcony looking over green lush landscape grounds. This property is 12,229 square feet and has space for outdoor gardening and is very easy to maintain. It is also in close proximity to local amenities. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, 24-hour security, jacuzzi, mountain view, central location, easy access, family oriented, private setting, low maintenance yard, quiet area, landscape, and paved road. The current price for this home is Jamaican $50 million or US $319,000. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.